do the last task. I'm not, you have to tell how many clusters you will form. They are agreeing to 5, 6. But with an observation of 20, 5, 6 are at least 3 or 3 should be good, but 3 should be very distinct 3, you know. But how you will answer the last question?
Cluster membership I noted down and I'm reading.
Then how you will take average?
Yeah, just for understanding.
Okay, good. So all I have done up to second last task. Now look here. Madhvi ma'am was asking that how to answer the last question. And probably you all are also struggling for that. And I showed you that for answering that, you need to prepare this table first. But how you will prepare this table? You are doing it? So how you will do that? What I have done, this is an Excel sheet, right, which you can very easily see. I have created another SPSS file. I have noted down in cluster number 1 which cases are involved. So I have noted down in my copy 1, 2, 9, 14 and 15, right. And then I have copied the SPSS file. So created a separate SPSS file. Now my task was, in addition, other than 1, 2, 9, 14, 15, I had to delete rows. Very simple. Then in my SPSS file only these 5 will be there. But again, if you will try this and if you will delete one row, then the sequence number will get disturbed. So you need to create a new variable in your this copied SPSS file as observation number. And then write down 1, 2, 3, 4, 20 first. After doing that only attempt deletion. Then you will have some numbers with you. Some numbers or desired numbers. Then copy these numbers or this observation to some Excel sheet and then do the averaging like this. Right? Have you understood or should I repeat? Okay. So you do one thing. Look at the board. So this is your copied SPSS sheet, right, where variable 1, variable 2, variable 3 up to variable 15 are there. Yes or no? Yes. And here is case number 1, case number 2, case number 3, but these are the case numbers which are shown in SPSS file. Like this. I am not having I have not opened. But case 1, 2, 3 are by default. They are not the part of the data. They are only row number 2, row number 3, row number 5. Right? Now, if you have decided that you need to keep 1, 2 and you want to delete 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, you need to delete row number 3. Right? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You need to delete these rows. Just select and clear in SPSS file. But if he will do that, the moment he will clear this row number third, the fourth will become row number third and the number system is lost. Have you understood this small catch? Right. For overcoming this, in this copied SPSS file, go to variable view, which you have learned on day 1 first session. Go to variable view and create a new variable called observation number. And then first say 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 20. Now these are part of the data. Now they will not change. And then whichever rows you want to delete. Start from 3 up to 8, delete. Now you will have observation number 9 soon after observation number 2. Have you understood? Say yes or no. Only 2, 3 are saying, rest are sitting. I am speaking since 9 o'clock, this is 1 o'clock, non-stop. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Likewise you do, then your data file will have only 5 observations. Then select this much portion, take it, Control C, Control V and go to Excel sheet and then paste there. Are you able to understand? Yes or no?
Yes.
Or otherwise, Gaurav had taught you how to transfer SPSS file to Excel sheet. Then adopt that method and transfer SPSS file to Excel and then simply put a average. How you will do? What you will write here? How you will do averaging?
Summation divided by 5.
Okay. So that is one way. You need to first do the summation and then you will do division by number of observations. Better method is do like this. You in that cell you write equal to AVG, average. So a Excel formula will come, right? And use that Excel formula and then you need to put here a cross will come and drag it towards right side, all the calculations will be done. Now 1.6 is difficult to interpret, or difficult or not difficult, again it is subjective. I thought that I should made it round, right? It was my thought. If you want to interpret with 1.6, good, it is more finer. I had made it round. How you will round the values? Whether you will go manually to each cell and do that? What? Huh? No. You have to write a rounded value here, 2. This is 1.6. What you will do here? Round function. What is that? Exactly correct. She is right. She is right. So you need to write equal to round. And what you are rounding up? Cell number C7, not entire row, only cell number C7. C7 is the cell number, C7, and rounding up to what decimal place? 0. You want round, no? So you can do rounding up to 3rd decimal place, to 4th decimal place, which you need to define here. So round bracket start C0 comma 0 and then it will round, and then again you put cursor here and drag towards right, all figures will be rounded. After doing that, then you need to tell a story. Huh?
So here for doing this,
Huh?
we need to know which respondents are involved in this cluster work.
Huh?
Where
Which?
who all the respondents are there in this cluster work?
Ask, speak loudly. There is a query. Speak loudly to the audience.
How to find out who are the respondents in that particular cluster? For example, Sarah's statement.
SPSS output file, there is one box which you have got cluster membership. Out of when you have done OK means the output which has come, one says cluster membership, and it's a long box with all 20 observation, and it tells you cluster and distance also. In the the SPSS output. Am I reading
Every-
the correct box?
Everybody is able to understand what madam is saying? Say yes or no. Again 2-3 people says yes, rest are just keeping mark. Yes or no?
Not the hierarchical. The K means cluster that you have done, because we are dealing with K means right now.
Are you able to see?
The output file. Yeah, cluster define which table? The cluster membership. Yeah, cluster membership.
Sir,
Which cluster has files, which member?
isn't this the one? This one.
Yeah.
This is
No,
the-
no, no, no. Not initial cluster center.
Because this one,
Cluster membership.
huh, but the one is the table that you made.
This is the table. This shows you that observation number 1 belongs to cluster 1. 2 belongs to 3. Likewise.
Yeah, but when I'm taking to Excel, will I do this?
No, no,
You
no.
will only, so here, ma'am's question was, how do you identify those 5 people who belong to which cluster? The Excel sheet exercise that sir has done was only for cluster 1. So here you will see that in cluster 1, number 7, number 8, number 14, 15 and 18 are only the 5 people who belong to cluster 1. So those are the only 5 numbers that you have to take for your Excel sheet exercise for cluster 1. Then do the same for cluster 2, do the same for cluster 3.
Okay. Now our caterer is waiting for food. So we should go there, right? Before that, let's do this quiz in 5 minutes. Distribute quickly.
Okay, but this is not my sheet. It's nothing.
How you are right putting it? I told you it should be put like this, so that they should not see.
Because this
Yesterday you were there, huh?
yes, sir, but
So-
this was already selected, so it
So you are taking a test and giving question paper like this. Yeah, start. Start attempting quiz.